If you work in technology, especially in telecoms or an interrelated field, you have probably experienced this. A situation where a customer has a real problem and you know exactly what to do to fix it. You try to convince the business because you genuinely want to help the customer. But the business doesn't seem to really listen. It seems like the customer problem is important, but not exactly the top priority. Does that sound familiar? Well, I've been there. Before I moved into product management, I was working as a technical consultant for a network testing product. We had a customer in Denmark who got stuck during a project because of a software issue on their device. The fix required a new feature. I talked to the product management team and explained exactly what was wrong, why it mattered, and how urgent it was. I really thought I could convince them of the importance and urgency. But you know what happened? They said, we need to run the numbers, see how many customers are impacted, and then decide if it's worth putting on the roadmap. I pushed back, but it didn't really make much of an impact. And that's when I heard the line that I still remember. They said to me, Adnan, this is not how we do things here. We need a business case, and it's not your call. That did not feel great. Because I felt that while my technical view was respected when it came to decision making for the business, my technical input only accounted for a small part of it and not the full picture. The full picture requires a 360-degree view, which only comes when you understand both the technical and commercial sides. That way, you can effectively translate a customer problem into a business problem and lead the way in finding solutions. And you know what the secret is? Technology evolves a lot more than the financial metrics and principles needed for a commercial understanding of the technology business. You can use your technical knowledge to accurately link the operational model to the business model, which is the foundation of commercial understanding. And the best part? As an engineer, numbers are your strength. So calculations like revenues, costs, EBITDA, payback, NPV, IRR, etc., that's just basic mathematics. You can master all that in a day. All you really need is the framework that shows why and where those numbers belong to create the model accurately, and the rest is just calculations. If you're a technology person, not using your logical and mathematical skills to develop commercial understanding, then you're missing a great opportunity. Because those skills can help you become the person who understands the full picture, and that way you become unstoppable in business meetings.